Hey everyone, Theresa with Yellow Daisy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to be participating in another DIY home decor challenge hosted by Christina over at the DIY Mommy. For my DIY today, I'm going to be making pillows for my foyer. So a little backstory. Back in the summer at a yard sale, I found a stool for $1 and it was pretty beat up and just needed some TLC. So I brought it home and did a DIY, which I did film that, so I'll put an iCard above for you if you haven't seen that one. And since then, I've loved decorating my foyer. So I thought I would decorate this space for this challenge. And I have two pillows that I'm going to be doing. One for my no sewing friends out there, and the other one has a little bit of sewing, but I am a novice beginner sewer, not a professional by any stretch of the imagination. So there's a little bit of sewing on the second one and a little bit of hot gluing also. So let me show you what I came up with. For my first pillow, this is going to be the no-sew pillow. I'm just using one of the little canvas sacks that you're seeing everywhere. I got this one at Michael's for a couple dollars, and I'm just going to fill it with the polyfill. The key to this is make sure you really get in those corners really good, and then as you're stuffing it, you can stuff it as much or as less as you want, but the key is just kind of forming it as you're stuffing it so it doesn't look real lumpy, and that way you get one uniform look like you have a pillow insert inside. And then I just hot glued the top. I really liked that it looked like a sack, so I wanted to keep that look and not get rid of that. So I just hot glued up the top. And I got this little jingle bell off of an ornament that I repurposed for another challenge, which I will also link that above for you as an iCard so you can watch that one. And here's my first pillow. Now on to my second pillow. This pillow form I already had. The sweater I got at the thrift store for $3.99. And then the fur that I got a half a yard, and it was on sale half off. So that only cost me $10. The pillow that I'm going to make is a cable knit sweater pillow with fur trim, and I saw this on the Pottery Barn website. And a little tip that I've learned is when you're using sweater type material, cut the fabric exactly the size of the pillow. That way, because it has so much give, it'll fit that pillow form a lot better if you cut it and don't allow for any of the seam allowances. And now it's time to sew your pillow cover. You put your fabric right sides together, and I used a zigzag stitch for this knit. Let me know below if you guys sew, and if you do, what types of things do you like to sew? Home decor, fashion? I'm always really interested in seeing what people are up to. And on the last side, I just left a little bit open so I could insert the pillow, and then I just hand stitched it closed after the pillow form was in the pillow cover. And make sure to clip the corners so that it's not real bulky when you put your pillow cover inside. For the fur trim, I measured out 4 inches because I was going to fold that over, so it would give me about a 2-inch trim around my pillow. And I really could not figure out how to attach this fur trim onto this pillow other than hot gluing it. So that's what I came up with, and it actually worked really well. Now that I've completed both of my pillows, it's time to show you my decorated DIY foyer. I hope you liked these pillows as much as I do. Don't forget to go check out the playlist, which I have linked below, along with Christina's channel. I'd like to thank Christina for hosting this challenge, and if you guys are not subscribed, we would love for you to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, friends, and until next time, bye-bye.